Unleash your vision. Clarity ignites passion. When you have a clear vision, it acts as a powerful catalyst, sparking the fire within you. This fire is your passion, the driving force that propels you forward. Your motivational channel's journey starts with a vision. This vision is the foundation upon which everything else is built. It's the blueprint for your success, the roadmap that guides you through every step of your journey. What impact do you want to make? Who will you inspire? These questions are crucial as they help you define your purpose and target audience. Knowing the answers will help you create content that truly resonates. This clarity fuels your passion, guiding your content and resonating with your audience. Define your niche. A well-defined niche allows you to focus your efforts and become an authority in that area. Are you focused on personal growth, career success, or relationships? Each of these areas offers a wealth of opportunities to create impactful content. Choose the one that aligns with your vision and passion. A clear vision is your compass. It helps you navigate through the complexities of content creation, ensuring you stay on course even when faced with challenges. It's not just about views, it's about making a difference. Your vision should be centered around the impact you want to have on your audience and the world. Knowing your why fuels your commitment, especially when challenges arise. It's this deep-seated purpose that keeps you going, even when the going gets tough. This clarity attracts viewers who resonate with your message. When your vision is clear, it naturally draws in those who share your values and aspirations. Remember, your vision is your North Star. It's the guiding light that keeps you focused and aligned with your goals. It keeps you on track, ensuring every video aligns with your purpose. Each piece of content should reflect your vision and contribute to your overall mission. Now take that vision and translate it into powerful content that inspires action. Let your clarity and passion shine through in every video you create, motivating and uplifting your audience. Fuel the fire crafting content that inspires. Content is king. When you create content that resonates deeply, you ignite a spark in your audience. This spark can lead to a wildfire of motivation and positive change. It's the heart of your motivational channel. Your content should be the driving force that keeps your audience coming back for more, seeking that daily dose of inspiration. Make it engaging, relatable, and actionable. Share personal stories. Vulnerability builds trust. Use powerful visuals. When your audience sees themselves in your stories, they feel a connection that goes beyond the screen. Incorporate stock footage and images to enhance your message. These elements can add depth and context, making your content more compelling and easier to understand. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Use imagery to evoke emotions and tell a story that words alone cannot. High-quality editing keeps viewers engaged. Smooth transitions and professional touches can make a significant difference in how your content is perceived. Keep it concise and impactful. Attention spans are short. Deliver your message quickly and clearly to ensure it sticks. Deliver your message with power and purpose. Speak with conviction and passion to leave a lasting impression. Remember, you are in the inspiration business. Your goal is to uplift, motivate, and drive positive change. Keep pushing boundaries and inspiring greatness. Ignite the connection. Engage your tribe. Your audience is your tribe. Connect with them authentically. Respond to comments and messages. Show them you care. Use social media to build community. Engage with your followers. Run polls and Q&A sessions. Create a sense of belonging. Remember, your viewers are not just numbers. They are individuals seeking motivation and inspiration. Make them feel seen and heard. Authenticity's power. Your voice, your strength. Be yourself. Authenticity is magnetic. When you embrace who you truly are, you attract the right people and opportunities into your life. Your voice is unique and it deserves to be heard. Don't try to be someone you're not. The world needs your genuine self, not a copy of someone else. Embrace your quirks and imperfections. Your unique voice is your superpower. Share your journey. Every story you tell, every experience you share, adds value to the world. Your struggles and triumphs can inspire others. Honesty builds trust. People connect with realness. Consistency is key. Keep sharing, keep connecting, and watch your influence grow. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged. Consistent content keeps your audience coming back for more. Create a schedule and stick to it. Planning helps you stay on track and ensures you never miss an opportunity to connect with your audience. Your dedication will pay off. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. They are proof of your hard work and commitment. Now go out there and unleash your power. The world is waiting for your voice. Make it count.